Hi boys and girls, Miss Gemma here, how are you? In today's lesson we're going to talk about adverbs. So remind me, what's an adverb? An adverb is a word that gives more description to a verb, adjective, another adverb, a phrase, a clause, or in a sentence. So some previous adverbs that you've used, boys and girls, is where, when, how, and how often. Let's just take a closer look at these. So adverbs of place tells us where the verb is happening. So examples such as here, there, everywhere, out, in, below, inside, or into. An adverb of time gives us more information about when a verb takes place. So examples such as lately, just, always, during, yet, soon, sometimes, usually. And adverbs of manner, which gives us more information about how a verb is done. So these are most common of all adverbs. Most of them will end in ly. Some examples: calmly, politely, loudly, slowly, quickly. And then finally, adverbs of frequency explain how often the verb occurs. So some examples is never, rarely, sometimes, normally, again. So let's have a look at our first adverb, boys and girls. So what's a modality adverb? We use modality adverbs to say how certain we are about something. So some examples of these. It's clearly sunny outside. Clearly being the modality adverb. It's definitely not raining today. So definitely is the modality adverb. It's certainly great weather for the beach. Certainly being the modality adverb. And I can probably roll a 6. Do you think I can, boys and girls? Let me try. Not a 6. So our next one, boys and girls, is a degree adverb, which is an adverb of degree that tells us the level or extent that something is done or happens. Some examples of these. I am very hungry. Is it almost dinner time? I'm nearly full from dinner. Dinner was quite delicious. And I am very ready for dessert. So the words were almost, nearly, quite, really, and very. So our last one for this, boys and girls, is comment or opinion adverbs. We use these adverbs to make our attitude or opinion about something known, or to make judgments about someone's actions. So some examples of the words that we may use is honestly, seriously, rightly, beautifully, luckily, sadly, bravely, or carelessly. So to put these into a sentence, so an opinion, she sung beautifully tonight. Or a comment, luckily you got here on time. Luckily, you're learning this lesson, boys and girls, because there is a worksheet available that needs you to identify the different types of adverbs. You did a wonderful job, boys and girls. Now that you have finished learning some more about adverbs, your next lesson could be to learn about noun groups and the different parts. Oh, I didn't know nouns had groups. Come and join me and find out more, and I'll see you in our next lesson.